how to log in into a Notion account. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a very clear and simple guide that we can use in order to log in into Notion, which is pretty quick and easy. So let's get started without any delay. So what we can do is we can just go over and open up Notion, which is notion.com, and log in into our account usually. And in order to log in, it's pretty easy. Once we are in the site, in the top right corner, we can find an option called login. All we gotta do is find that option and click on it. And once we click on it, we'll be headed towards the login interface. Now here, if we wanna log in, all we gotta do is enter our email address, either use Google, Apple, Microsoft, Passkey, anything. The use your method, what you have used. For example, I have used Google, so I'm just gonna click on it and then select up account. And once I select up account, you can see I have directly been logged in into Notion. You can also follow the same process and you will be logged in into Notion. Now you can either download the application. Also, if you want to use, so you can start building with the Notion agent, click anywhere on the below page. Just go and create up a to-do list, even make up a new page and capture meeting notes and thoughts effortlessly. And that's it. Usually this is how you should be able to do it. It's pretty quick and easy to create, or let's say log in into the Notion account. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.